राज्यांत कुर्बानी उत्सव 2 ते 5 मजगती जावपाचो आसा. ते खातीर राज्यांत कायदेशीरपणान मांसाची जनतेक पुरवण जावपाक राज्यांत 144 सेक्शन लागू जाला. ह्या कारणाक लागून धार्मीक वाद जावचो न्हय म्हण खबरदारी घेतल्या, अशी माहिती दक्षिण गोंयचे कलेक्टर अंजली शेखावत हांणी दिल्या. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
See, as we are all aware that this Qurbani festival will be observed from 2nd to 5th, and there would be legal slaughter happening at Goa Meat Complex at Usgaon. Keeping in mind that in earlier years there have been instances where people against slaughter were chanting bhajans and creating an environment which can lead to some kind of communal disharmony in the area. It was advised in the meeting chaired by Chief Secretary of Goa, and there was a request from the police department as well to impose section 144 so as to counter any kind of attempts that might bring disrepute to the entire festival and may also cause a disharmony in the area. That is why section 144 has been imposed as a preventive measure in the light of the sensitivity of the program. It is imposed for 3 days. So the imposition of section 144 CRPC begins from today, and it will be in operation till the midnight of 5th September 2017. That's for 6 days.